76.5% of the value of a typical Miami Shore single-family home sits in the land, not the house, the lot. The bungalow is what comes with it. We ran the parcel-level records on every parcel in Miami Shores, and that ratio held across nearly 4,000 homes. Communities like this are what we cover almost daily. Subscribing is how you catch each one. State the end. The same deep dive we ran here can be pointed at any community you are weighing, on the freshest data, and by the close, you will know how to get it. Alejandro has been walking these streets, and what he found is what happens to a neighborhood when the lot starts to outlast the house.
In Miami Shores, buyers are not just moving in. They are moving in and hollowing the place out. Nearly 60% of single-family homes show a major renovation signal. Our analysis finds the effective year built more than a decade newer than the original construction date. On a stock where 2/3 of everything standing came out of the 1940s and 50s, that is buyer after buyer deciding the lot was worth keeping and everything else was negotiable. Floors out, systems replaced, sometimes the whole envelope, but the parcel never goes anywhere. Waterfront. Our dataset shows 25 properties holding separate dock folios, which tells you Bay Edge access exists and is concentrated. Part 3's listings will make the water story visible through asking prices. Here is the question this neighborhood eventually forces on every buyer. Do you want the character of mid-century bones with a fresh gut renovation, or the clean slate of the few vacant lots that still surface? Drop your answer in the comments. The split here is real. And stay in, because Andrew's numbers make the stakes of that choice much harder to ignore than you might expect.
We pulled records on 3,939 properties in Miami Shores, assessed values, ownership, construction dates, decades of sale history. Here is the number that should stop any buyer mid-sentence: $78. That is the median assessed just value per square foot of lot. On a 9,600 square foot lot, the median around here, that is roughly $750,000 for the ground. The structure on top runs about $122 per square foot of living area. 77 cents of every dollar is the lot. The building is included in the price. In 98.5% of single-family homes, land just value exceeds building just value. Now layer Florida's Save Our Homes cap on top. The cap holds homesteaded assessment increases to 3% annually. Our analysis found that in 83% of homesteaded single-family homes here, the total capped assessed value has been compressed below the standalone just value of the land alone. One property sold in July 2025, assessed at $133,000, closed at $890,000, 6.6 times the assessed figure. 41% of the residential stock has been in the same hands for more than 10 years, 22% for more than 20. That hold period data does not surface on any public site. Our analysis is what pulls it out, and we do this for a new community almost every episode. Vote in the comments for the one you want next. Subscribe so you are there when it drops.
Andrew called it a math problem, and here is where the math compounds. Our data showed something we ran twice to confirm. 2025 was Miami Shore's most active year since the pandemic peak. 182 qualified sales, up from 138 the year before. And the repeat sale pairs are even more telling. Looking at properties that sold twice in sequence, the later pair averaged 55.5% appreciation. An earlier pair on the same properties averaged 47%. This market is not decelerating, it is accelerating. The supply side makes that durable. Only 2 vacant residential lots have sold here in the past 3 years. 2. And the second one, in October 2025, closed at $1,337,000. No structure, just land. That is the floor for buildable ground in Miami Shores, and it is the cleanest answer to the spine of this whole analysis. The lot is the asset, the cap is the lock, and the people who own both are doing the math and staying put. Here is how to use that for your own deal. Our team starts with your situation, buyer or seller, which community, what outcome you need. We run the same analysis you just watched, pointed at your target on the most current data. From there, we identify the right realtor and bring you the comparable transactions that close the way yours should. Best prices, fewest days on market. Reach out to us. We are licensed in both Florida and California. The first conversation is just the numbers. Link is in the description. Big Data Realty. We run the numbers, you make the call.